Welcome back to the Fertility Foods playlist. Struggling with PCOS or irregular cycles? This golden lentil soup is clinically shown to support gut hormone balance. A delicious and nourishing recipe packed with fertility-boosting ingredients.
Let's take a look at the key ingredients and how they support your reproductive health. Lentils. Lentils are loaded with folate and iron, two essential nutrients for ovulation and hormonal balance. 1 cup provides 90% daily folate needs for embryo development. Chicken broth. Chicken broth provides amino acids and collagen, which help improve egg quality and uterine lining. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in healthy fats that support hormone production and reduce inflammation. Onion. Onion is full of antioxidants that help protect reproductive cells from damage. Garlic. Garlic improves blood flow to reproductive organs and helps fight oxidative stress. Ginger. Ginger reduces inflammation and may help regulate your cycle and support implantation. Cumin. Cumin is a great source of iron and supports digestion, which is key for nutrient absorption. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that may support fertility by improving hormonal balance and reducing oxidative stress in reproductive tissues. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3s and lignans, which balance estrogen and improve egg quality. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and antioxidants, which support healthy testosterone levels, ovulation, and overall reproductive function. Step-by-step scientific cooking. Step 1. Sauté the base. In a large pot, heat the olive oil or ghee over medium heat. Add chopped onion and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until soft. Now add the garlic and ginger. Cook for another minute until fragrant. These ingredients not only add flavor but also help reduce inflammation and support hormonal balance. Step 2. Add spices. Stir in cumin, flax seeds, turmeric, and pumpkin seeds. Toast the spices for 30 seconds to release their aroma and benefits. Turmeric is loaded with antioxidants that protect reproductive cells, while cumin supports digestion and iron absorption. Step 3. Cook the lentils. Add the rinsed lentils and chicken broth to the pot. Lentils are a top fertility food, rich in folate, iron, and plant-based protein that support ovulation and hormone balance. Step 4. Stir in coconut milk. Stir in the creamy coconut milk. Coconut milk provides healthy fats to support hormone production and reduce inflammation, both essential for fertility. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 20 minutes, or until the lentils are soft. Step 5. Final touch. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice if desired. This lentil and coconut milk soup isn't just comforting and delicious, It's filled with nutrients that gently support your reproductive health naturally. One serving provides 18-gram plant protein, 15-gram fiber, 50% daily needs, anti-inflammatory curcumin, blood sugar stabilizing combo. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and follow the full Fertility Foods playlist. We've got so many healing, hormone-supportive meals coming your way. Up next, we're making chickpea hummus, another fertility-friendly staple loaded with zinc and plant protein. And if you want to make your own coconut milk at home, check out our video, How to Make Homemade Coconut Milk, quick, fresh, and fertility-friendly. Thanks for joining. See you in the next recipe.